Got the catalytic converter mostly buggered out, chipped out, hammered out, drilled out. Got most of my heat proofing on, I think. And a little bit of smoking on. That's from the WD-40. That's no big deal. Engine sounds a lot better. Almost sounds as good as a Honda. I wish. I use some WD-40 on the nuts there just to thread them on a little easier. That's nothing. I used some at the back here. I wanted to check what if I could shake any stuff out from the back, but about as good as I can get it. Hopefully it doesn't smoke like that for very long. I sure like the sound though. Be a pain in the ass to listen to all day. I think it'd be like listening to a Detroit diesel engine. It's fun for the first little bit. After a while, this gives you a fucking headache. Hopefully that all works out. I'm do an oil change on this bugger too. You can see where the oil filter is here. And there's your oil fill. I have a shitty spot. I like those things kind of being high up. I don't know if I can mod that myself. I don't know. I almost need to like weld an aluminum pipe going up. That probably wouldn't work. But yeah, the firewall snaps into here, as everybody knows. And then there's this piece here. This is made to be removed. It's just got a like a stowage bag attached to it. This piece right here, and that just sits right there. So yeah, I'm gonna get some more heat shielding. I guess I'll probably end up putting this aluminum thing back on. I just gotta find somebody who can weld this for me, and I'll fix it right up. And here's the firewall, and I put new heat shielding material on here. Oh, nice and smooth. I did a better job than the Arctic factory. So I'm gonna get another piece to put in here, and probably up along here too. Stuff's not cheap. I cut a notch in here, and it fits around the lines that go to the fuel tank. So this is out of the way, but this is your line going from the fuel tank to the engine, and then this is your vent. And this vent, I gotta figure out how I want to vent it, or how I want to route it, but I think I'll have it running somewhere up the frame or up the roll cage here. Keep it high and dry, and I'll do the one for the transaxle, transmission, whatever you want to call it. There should be a hose somewhere around there that is probably vented the wrong way. And then I think for the front diff as well. That would be under here, but that would go up the front somewhere. This might be it. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm not sure. I don't know, that's not too bad. I usually don't go that deep. Yeah, that is it, I think. Yep. Fuck, that's all they did. Didn't you do anything to hold it in or nothing? Pricks. I don't feel so proud of going to the Arctic plant. They do shit work. So there we go. That's it. There's the wife and my favorite new toy, 2015 Toyota 4Runner, and my little kid yelling at me. Hi! She loves talking to her dad. Talk to you guys later.